you can see, we're all still at home, doing the best we can. So behind me is this nice blue piece of, looks like the sky. I got this from Cassandra, and it's magnetic, so I don't have to use my refrigerator. I can just put all of our stuff up on this pretty blue piece of metal. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is review a word that you've done before. The word is go, and it's right here on your voice. Go. So the word is go. So you can point to it on your voice, or you can say it with your mouth, go, or you can go like this, go, and that would be the sign for it, go. So I'm going to read a book, just like always, and every time you hear the word, I want you to point or say or sign the word. So the word is go. Pretty soon we're going to have a new word, but I'm just reviewing these because we're all out of our usual routine and everything feels kind of weird. So this familiar stuff, it's good to have that familiar stuff. So here's the name of the book. Here's the title. It's called Go, Go, Go. So you should be saying go, 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 or touching, go, 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 or signing, go, 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 or a combination. So here we go. Go, go, go. That's a car. And this is the front of the book, and that was the title. Turn the page. Go, go. Lots of things can go. Cars go. I wonder what else goes. There we go. Trains go. Here's something else. Trucks go. Boats go. Planes go. Motorcycles go. What else can go, go, go? That's a question. What else can go? Let me think. Maybe, what else can go? A skateboard? You can get on a skateboard, or a scooter, or a bicycle. What else can go? If you have a kite, it goes high up in the sky. It goes way up there. That's a good word. Maybe you go for a hike, or go for a walk with your family, or you go outside and enjoy this lovely weather, because it's really beautiful weather. So speaking of the weather, let's talk about the weather. Where's my weather? Here we go. I would like you to go to a window or to your door and look outside and see what you think about the weather. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna just look around here and see what I think about the weather where I live. So I would like you to go do that, and I'll wait a minute, and then we'll come back together and talk about the weather. Okay. So you need to turn in your voice to the strip that has the weather. What do you think the weather is like? What is the weather like at your house? I don't know because I'm at my house. But at my house, it is sunny. It's sunny. There's a few little clouds, but they're really, really thin, so I'm not going to say it's cloudy because the sun is not hiding behind the clouds. The sun is out bright. So I'm going to say it's sunny at my house. What's the weather like at your house? The next thing is, I don't know if you can see any leaves moving around at my house or not, but it is a little bit breezy. So if there's leaves dancing around at your house, you might say it's breezy or windy, but at my house, I'm going to say it's breezy. Breezy. I'm going to put this one down here. And then it's sunny out here. And when you sit in the sun like I am right now, you turn to the next page, the next strip. Cool, cold, cool, hot, or warm. So right here where I am, I have on a sweatshirt. It's long sleeves. But because it's sunny, I'm pulling my sleeves up because it actually feels warm. So I'm going to choose warm. Hope you can see that. And put it on here. So the next thing we're going to do is, what season is it? So right over here in your voice, what season is it? Remember last week the season changed. And now the season is spring. And so spring is right here. This says spring. So the season is spring, and the weather at my house is sunny, warm, and breezy, which is really nice. It feels really, really nice out here. It's not hot, it's not cold. It's just nice to be out in the warm sun. This is what we're going to do next. We're going to do our calendar days, and so you need your voices to be on the months of the year. That's what it looks like. It has all the months, January to December. And the name of the month is March. And we can go March. We can say March. We can say March, or we could say March. It's March. And it's on here. Point to March on your voice. Here it is. Point to March. I'm going to point to March. There it is. It's March. And we're going to count to see what the date is, the number. And so you need to have your numbers 1 to 31. Parents, if you can help, there they are. That's what they look like. And I'm going to count. We're going to start counting with 1, and I would like you to point as you count, just like you do when we're at school. Just exactly the same way. Show off to your parents and show them how smart you are. So we're going to count starting with 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and what's that next number? 27. So you should have ended up here at 27. The next thing you're going to need is the days of the week. So we're going to put 27 on here, right here in this next blank space, and we're going to go up, 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 up. And what day of the week is it today? We put 27, up, 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 up. What day of the week is it today? Today is Friday. Friday, and it's right there. So we're going to put, today is Friday, right here. Today is Friday. If today is Friday, then yesterday was, I'll move this back out here, maybe it's easier to see. Today is Friday. There's that breeze blowing my hair in my face. Yesterday was Thursday. And today's Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. So we're going to put yesterday was Thursday. And if today is Friday, tomorrow will be, today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. So we're going to put that, tomorrow will be Saturday. So, today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. And we don't have school tomorrow. So I hope you get outside and enjoy the weather. Although I think it might rain tomorrow, but that's okay. We need the rain. We are going to dress Joey. Where are Joey's clothes? So think about the weather. Our weather that was sunny and warm and a little bit breezy. And what kind of clothes does Joey need today? I wonder if we should put on long pants or shorts. So I have on long pants right now and it's pretty warm. So today you can say what you think. Point to whichever one you think. But for me, I think we're going to put on shorts. And there he is with his shorts. What do you think? Should Joey wear long sleeves or short sleeves? So here's my thing. I have long sleeves, but it's kind of warm. So I'm pushing my sleeves up because my arms are hot. So it might be cooler where you live and you might want to wear long sleeves, but for me where I live, I think I'm going to go with the t-shirt, the short sleeve shirt that comes up to here, so that I'm not too hot. So there he is, the short sleeve shirt and his shorts. Do we need this umbrella? Is it raining out? No, it's not raining. We said that it was sunny and warm, so it's not raining. So we don't need the umbrella. How about, it is sunny, so I'm thinking maybe a hat. I'm looking for, here's a good hat for when it's sunny. Keeps the sun out of your eyes, but it won't cover your whole head, so then you don't get too hot. But this will keep the sun out of your eyes. So it looks like a baseball cap. We're going to have Joey put that on to keep the sun out of his eyes. And let's see. I think this is going to be our last thing. So there's rain boots. It's not raining. Or sandals. I know I have on shoes, just like regular shoes, but I don't know. I think I might be able to put sandals on today, but where you live it might be too cold, so you want to make sure your feet are comfortable and they stay warm. But here right now, I think we're going to go with sandals for Joey. And he is dressed to be outside enjoying this beautiful weather. Hopefully he'll stick there. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is count the days of school. And I know we're not coming to school, we're not going to school. And so that makes it kind of, it makes it hard because we're counting the days of school, but we're not really going. So what we're going to do is, here's our days of school. So yesterday was 136. So what has to happen is we need to add one more to this. So I'm going to add one. Usually one of you guys does it, but I'm going to do it for us. And then you need your voice to be where you can answer yes or no. Right here. Yes or no. Right in the front strip there. And I'm going to ask you, is it time to swap? Oh boy. Is it time to swap? Is that full all the way to the top? Is this all full? Is it time to swap? So I want to know from you, yes or no. Let's look again, just to make sure. Is it time to swap? So I'm going to say no. Nope. No. It's not time to swap yet because this is not all the way full. Okay. So let's take a look at this. We're going to count the ones right here. I want you to count starting with 1. I need you to be on this part of the strip. Well, actually the better one would be to be on the count by tens. So you can count starting with 1 on this. Start right here with 1. And we're going to count the number on here. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7, 1. Oh, uh-oh. That says 6. Remember, we added 1, so this isn't correct anymore. We need to have a 7. So here's some numbers. I want you to point. Which number is 7? We counted 7. Which number is 7? And you're pointing. Okay. This number is 7. So we counted 7 little ones, 7 little units. Okay, so that's correct. Now we need 3 tens. So I want you to help me count, starting with 1. We're going to count out 3 tens. I want you to count 1, 2, 3 on your voice or with your voice. Okay, here we go. Starting with 1. 1. Can you see that? 2, 3. Okay, so we have our 7 ones, our 3 tens, and then we have 1 100, and here it is. There it is. So this is just 100, and we only have 1. Okay, we're going to count how many days we've been in school. We're going to start with 100. So on here, you're starting with 100, and we're going to count. Put 100 in your head, Kate. Boom! There, it's in my head. In your head. In your head. Put 100 in your head. We don't need to count all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't have to do that. We know this is 100. In my head. In your head. So here we go with 100. 100, where is it? 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137. So we've been in school for 137 days. That's a long time. Lots and lots of learning happening. Just think back. You guys didn't know how to do this. And then now you know how to do it. You're like experts. So that's really good. You're just smart and you're learning like crazy. So 137 days of school. Okay. What we're going to do now is attendance. I'm not attendance because we're not doing attendance. We're going to use our 10 frame. So I'm going to move over here and you can see the 10 frame up here. The last time I did this, I can't count how many people are here because I can't see you. I chose the number 6. So this time, I think I'm going to choose the number, I think I'm going to choose the number 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is turn to your numbers. Looks like this. It just has numbers 1 to 10. And point. Tell me what this is. You can see it better because it's not on my black refrigerator. This. What is this? Move that out of the way. Move this out of the way. Okay. What is this thing? You have a way to tell, so show your parents that you know what this is called. And you should be pointing to the 10 frame. That's what that's called. 10 frame. So I chose number 4. So what I'm going to do is put in 4 dots, and I want you to count with me. We're going to start with 1. I want you to count starting with 1 as I put the dots up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4 red dots. How many more do we need to get to 10? So think about that. Think about that. How many more do we need to get to 10? We have 4. How many more do we need to get to 10? And you can point to a number. So go ahead and point to a number. And I'm going to put these dots up. So you point to your number, and I'm going to go ahead and put these dots up, and then we'll count them together. Okay, so we started with 4 dots. I wanted to know how many more we need to get to 10. So let's see if you were correct when you chose a number of how many more we need. Let's go ahead and count the yellow dots. We're going to count starting with 1. So here we go. Point on your voice as you count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Okay, so we needed 6 more dots to get to 10. We started with 4. We added 6 more, and that made us get to 10 in our 10 frame. That's good. That was pretty easy. Okay, let's see what else we need to do. I think we are about done, except, no. Let's do some of this. You can stand up. If I stand up, you're not going to be able to see me. So I'm just going to stay sitting, but you can stand up, and we're going to touch your tummy. Mine sounds hollow. I must be hungry. Say a color. Say a color. Okay. I'm going to say blue. What color did you say? You can use your voice to say a color. Right here. Choose a color. Say a color. I'm saying blue. Rub your back. Oh my, that's kind of hard. Rub your back. Oh, it feels better if somebody else does it for you. Maybe you could ask your family, rub my back, please. Touch your head. Touch your head. Tap your knees. Okay, here's your knees. So we're going to tap our knees. And wave to a friend. Hi, friends. And rub your tummy and then touch your toes. So rub your tummy and then touch your toes. Rub your tummy, touch your toes. The last thing we're going to do is hug yourself. Give yourself a big hug. Everybody needs hugs, especially now when everything seems so mixed up and different. So let's do that again. Hug yourself. Go outside and enjoy the fresh air and the sunshine, and have a relaxing, restful, healthy, good weekend. And I will see you on Monday. Bye.